In this video, I'll show you the world's first AI-powered app for automatically creating eBooks and flipbooks with the click of a button. No need to hire a content writer or fill out endless forms. With this app, you can instantly turn any URL, website, blog, question, or keyword into a fully designed ebook or flipbook without writing a single word. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to save time, money, and energy. Watch the video to the end. You can also visit the link in the description box for more details. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Imagine the time and money you save by skipping the process of finding a content writer and filling out endless forms. With ChatGPT 4-powered app, you can create ebooks and flipbooks in just 45 seconds and start making hundreds, even thousands of dollars every day with ease. Syndicate, the world's first AI app that generates ebooks, flipbooks, reports, white papers, and sales presentations. Comes pre-filled with 100% human-like content and a built-in marketplace where you can sell your ebooks and receive instant payments via multiple methods, including PayPal, Stripe, cards, and bank accounts. Instantly generate 3D eCover for your ebook. Capitalize on the AI wave with just one click. Create ebooks, flipbooks, PDFs, presentations, reports, and more. Instantly publish your ebooks in our marketplace. Syndicate your ebook to 50+ publication for instant buyers traffic. Start your publishing business today. 100% cloud-based, nothing to install or configure. No experience is required to use it. Zero upfront cost. But that's not all. Syndicate will syndicate your ebook to 50+ publications, which will result in a huge surge in traffic. And not just any traffic. Traffic that will convert into sales. Turn anything into ebook or flipbook. Whatever you have, Syndicate can turn it into a fully designed ebook or flipbook within seconds. Even your voice. Open up your mic and just tell Syndicate what you're thinking about, and it will work its magic to create your ebook. It works kinda like Siri and Alexa, only 100x better. Syndicate is the only AI ebook creator you will ever need. Visit the link in the description to watch Syndicate in action now.